HR Pay's user dashboard. We can see all the staff, tickets, account balance, job, active job, inactive job, here, and a monitor. So let's start the understanding the menu. So I will start the endpoints. HRM setups. Okay. HRM setups, system setups, system setups, system setups, system settings. Okay. System settings. System setting is this is a super admin dashboard for each user. In this system settings, in this we can change the system settings to every according to yourself. USD INR to email setting, company setting, email notification, IP setting. Every user fill the IP setting to according yourself. Zoom meeting, put your Zoom ID and Zoom client ID and save change. Select setting, select changing and a URL put Telegram setting, Twilio setting, offer letter setting, joining letter setting, certificate setting. This is a joining letter, offer letter, certificate of experience. It is a format. You can change format according to you. Certificate setting and Google Calendar. You set your Google Calendar ID and to you Google Calendar is the update to every day to automatically, and is the webhook setting. Webhook setting to according to create and your setting is permanently to work. Okay, nextly I will use subscription plan. Subscription plan, you handle your subscription and purchase and start to free trial to hire. Referral program, you according to yourself, you guideline of the referral by a referral link. Okay, referral transaction payout, you can see this all here order. You see your all orders in this dashboard, your free plan and subscription plan and pay money plan. HRM setup, now I will go to HRM setups. HRM setup, you can create your branch, department, decision, leave type, document type, pay slip, allowance option, loan, discount to according to yourself. You will to create a many branch, many department to according to yourself. Create your plus sign and create your branch. Okay, and now notification template. Notification template is you can see your how to your show new monthly pay slip, how to yourself your pay slip dashboard. Okay, you can to try to change your English language, everything you can according to yourself. Next, go to messenger. You will chat to every employee and manager to CR to manager, employee to employee and employee to HR. Okay, at a company policy, you create your company policy and delete and edit to you that's create. And next, document, you will put your employee documents in this here and create, and you can saw assets, you create a assets. Zoom meeting, you create a Zoom meeting to plus sign, title, user ID, date and password, enter duration. Meeting, you create a meeting time and meeting date, you create plus to create your meeting time and time to. Okay, event, you create event, you create a ticket type, just a leave ticket, join ticket. For example, I created 2 ticket for a Mayank. Contract, you say your contract to every contract. Requirements, according to your company requirements, job career, job applications, you create your job applications, job candidates, onboarding applications. HRM admin setup, award setup, transfer setup, trip setting, promotion setup, complaints, everything you create and edit and deletes. Okay, trainings, training list and trainers, you create to plus sign. Finance account list, account balance, pays, payers, deposit, expense, transfer. You everything is and edit and delete to yourself. Indicators, apparels, goals tracking, everything is here. Okay, you create plus and edit and delete to everything this here. Time sheet, manage level, attendance, everything. Payroll, set salary sheet, according to you set your salary, allowance, employee salary, commission, loan, structure donation, other payment. Now pay slip, you create your pay slip according to you. Employee, you create employee according to your company names, according to your directly export and directly import and create to directly on dashboard. Staff user, you create user role, employee profile, user to permission, user, employee, staff, user, you go user and create user role, create plus and create your role and give permission according yourself and save change, create your role and overview the dashboard. You can see everything. We can all see the staff here and the monitor to everything. Okay, thank you.